Hey, YouTube friends and families. I came to my favorite spot, um, Kingsland, Georgia. And I'm at this Ace right off the highway. And they have 6-packs for $3.49. So this is a good place to get your starts if you didn't start seeds like me. That lazy setting in. So they have the yellow crookneck squash. They have the yellow straight neck squash, yellow straight neck, so they loaded with that. They have the yellow sweet bells. I never get yellow peppers off of those things. And the regular green bells, the red bells. They have jumbo cantaloupe, habanero orange, Tabasco, Burpless cucumber, Marketmore cucumbers, Ichiban peppers, sweet banana peppers, hot banana peppers. Yes, all of this. And they even have more over here. Same price, $3.49. The Bravo cabbage, Roma tomatoes, plenty of those. Candied charm cauliflower, Georgia collards. Seems like it's a little out of season for that, but big boy tomatoes, early girl tomatoes, patio tomatoes. Now the sweet 100s, if you get those, they're small, but they are foolproof. Sweet 100 tomatoes. Those are foolproof. I grew them last year. Some lemon boy tomatoes. Some German Johnson tomatoes. So a 6-pack for $3.49. The Cherokee purples. The sweet millions. I think I'm going to grab those. We're going to all see how they do. Red grape. Better boy. Plenty of those. More red grapes. Better bush. I want to try the better bush. Better big beef tomatoes. Got the Celebrity, the Rutgers, and the Parks Whopper. So these are only $3.49 for a 6-pack. So if you and your gardening buddies get together, buy a little bit of everything, split them up. If you're a small gardener like me, then hey, just for those who haven't started our vegetables yet, that will give us a head start, get us back in the game and get us on an even keel. It's 86 degrees in Jacksonville, Florida today. It went from 40s to 80 like crazy. But here you see some of the prices. Now I'm just using my gift cards that I purchased. I did a deal and I showed y'all a deal. Gift cards before Christmas at Walgreens. You bought $10 worth of Ace gift card, they gave you $20 worth of Ace gift cards, they gave you $10 worth of Walgreens or whatever. I'll link that video in above so you can see it. But next year, now that I know that their starts are so cheap and they carry soil, they have the peat moss and a big bale of it, so I'm going to see how much that costs. So because they had that, next year I'm going to do at least $50 to $100 in gift cards. So I will definitely have enough to get everything I need for the garden season. So if you're giving me $10 free in Walgreens, I'll do it. So they also have a few herbs. Cilantro, that's a nice healthy cilantro plant. And it's 2 in there. So you always look for the pots with the 2. So you can, actually it looks like 3. So I see 3 roots in there. See there? Maybe even 4. So you can split those up. And you got your parsley. Italian oregano, sweet basil, rosemary, So lots and lots of starts. Well, they don't have a lot. See, you look, they don't have a whole lot. Because I am in Kingsland, Georgia, where the farmers are. So, and people have property. But I want to show you something real beautiful. And then I'll end, I'll show you some of their fruit trees also. Look at that. Look at that. Now, I just showed the olives video. I don't know what order they're going to be released. But they're selling these bulbs. Oh my gosh. That's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So load a pot up with all these bulbs. They even had those bulbs at Ollie's for $3.50. So, oh, what is this? Oh, vegetable bundles. These are collards and onions. They say $5.99. I'm not having good luck with onions, but I'm not gonna give up trying. Okay, so we got Meyer lemon trees. They want $44.99. So, but Meyer lemon trees, they don't have many. They have Dancy tangerine trees. They have a Alberta peach, $21.99. Now that's not bad. That's not bad for a fruit tree. And they even have an olive tree. This is the olive tree, but I don't see the price on that one. Yeah, I can't see the price anymore. That's a plum tree, $21.99, and it's over 4 feet tall, 4'11", because it's up to my face, so it's worth it. And this is $21.99, and it is a plum. Okay, so yeah, the plum trees look good for $21, but they don't have much. Look at this. Ooh, they don't have much, so get out and get what you need. Then they got these dead looking azaleas, but they're only $4.69. Give them a little food, they'll come back. Then they have, oh, we don't want crepe myrtles. That's all right. That's all right. And I'm so allergic to these muscadines, but they have muscadines, and they're only $6.99 for the muscadines. So, yep. Lots and lots to see, but missing a whole lot. Now, I'm sure this place would have normally been full, but that's a sign of the times. You better get to growing. You better learn. Sign of the times. So thank you so much for watching. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. In a minute, your life will depend on it. So you need to plant a seed. Prep and pray. And I love you to life. Have a great day.